which is the universal complement of A, union of A and B, difference of C, and the cardinality of B. Okay, that's answer. So for universal, so I forgot in our Venn diagram we have also a universal which is outside the Venn diagram. So for universal, 1 to 20. 6, 8, 7, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. So this is our universal set. So for the complement of A, we have 7,